Welcome to the Hakone Open Air Museum, where art and nature come together in perfect harmony. Set against the stunning Hakone Mountains, this museum features incredible outdoor sculptures, interactive exhibits, and even a hot spring foot bath to relax in. 16 Turning Sticks by Takemichi Ito, a mesmerizing kinetic sculpture where wooden beams rotate in harmony, creating an ever-changing visual rhythm. Intersecting Space Construction by Ryoji Goto, a dynamic metal structure that plays with perspective, inviting viewers to explore its geometric depths. A Grand Story by Giuliano Vanghi, a powerful marble sculpture capturing human emotion and storytelling through intricate, lifelike details. Explore masterpieces from world-renowned artists like Picasso, whose dedicated pavilion showcases his iconic works. With changing seasons adding a new dimension to the scenery, every visit feels unique and inspiring. Close 3 by Anthony Gormley, a striking human form, balancing between abstraction and realism, evoking deep introspection. Symphonic Sculpture by Gabriel Loyer, a towering stained glass masterpiece that bathes visitors in vibrant colors as they climb within. The Picasso Pavilion at the Hakone Open Air Museum is a stunning tribute to the legendary artist, showcasing over 300 works from his diverse career. Inside, you'll find an impressive collection of paintings, ceramics, sculptures, and sketches, revealing Picasso's creative evolution and artistic genius. With its elegant glass architecture and serene setting, the pavilion offers an immersive experience, bringing visitors closer to the bold and timeless world of Pablo Picasso. Sphere Within a Sphere by Arnaldo Pomodoro, a bronze globe revealing intricate inner layers, symbolizing hidden complexities within the world. Eloquence by Émile-Antoine Bourdelle, a dramatic, expressive bronze figure that conveys movement and passion in every curve. The Weeper by Francois Xavier Lalanné, a surreal, whimsical sculpture of a crouching figure, blending emotion with playful artistry. Reaching the Hakone Open Air Museum from Tokyo is easy and scenic. Start by taking the JR Tokaido Shinkansen from Tokyo Station to Odawara Station in about 35 minutes. From there, hop on the Hakone Togen train and enjoy a beautiful 40-minute ride through the mountains. Get off at Chokokunomori Station, just a short walk from the museum entrance. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and adventure content. See you in the next video.